Sis, in this episode, I'm sharing 3 of my favorite home decor sisters that you need to know. One draws you into fantasy level holiday decor that feels straight out of a movie. Another has a way of styling luxury details that'll make you stop scrolling. And the last one, well, this dope DIYer is honestly the reason I started YouTube in the first place. In the meantime, I'm Monique, creator of Mommy Room Redo, the channel that showcases Black women in their decor. And with that, let's get started. Our first diva is Raven Elyse. Raven definitely skews younger than my audience, but listen, good design is good design. She creates fantasy. Whoville-inspired Christmas themes, pink winter wonderlands, oversized nutcrackers, dreamy office spaces, beautifully organized craft rooms. Her content pulls you into another world. A lot of people can buy decor, but creating atmosphere, creating visual storytelling, that's a talent, and Raven has that. I also appreciate how calm and polished her spaces feel when she's doing bold themes and colors. That balance is hard, and I really think Raven helped normalize soft, feminine luxury for a younger generation of Black women. Because your home shouldn't only feel functional, sometimes home needs to feel magical too. Want to let you know Raven's decor diva moment. Beautiful spaces don't happen by accident. Sharon Riddick Johnson of the Stagecoach. Now this right here, every single time I post Sharon's work, viewers are mesmerized. And I mean mesmerized. Because Sharon understands detailing on a whole nother level. Everything feels elevated, and the one thing Sharon does beautifully is make luxury feel attainable. Her spaces look expensive without feeling out of reach. That's a gift. Her holiday decor is some of my favorites online. Sharon can take one small corner and style it so beautifully that people instantly start asking, wait, where did you get that from? And what I appreciate most is that Sharon teaches people how to create beauty, not just buy it. You can go to her page and learn how to style, make artwork, elevate shelves, and create luxe moments throughout your home. And yes, I know Sharon personally. She's genuinely sweet, professional, and creative, and is as beautiful on the inside as she is on the outside. Funny enough, we're both Scorpios, born just one day apart, so naturally we know greatness when we see it. Here's my girl's decor diva moment. Luxury is often hiding in the small details. One beautiful corner can elevate an entire room. If you haven't already, subscribe, y'all. We're on a mission to get 10,000 sisters strong over the next 6 months. So join our sisterhood and get the decor that counts. Timisha, Toolbox Divas. Now this sister right here was truly my inspiration. I've actually known Timisha for a very long time, but I didn't discover her YouTube channel until around 2020. And when I did, I was blown away. Not just by her DIY projects, but by what she was building as a business. Timisha makes being a creator look easy, even to this day. And what I loved about Toolbox Divas was how approachable she made DIY feel for Black women. She made home improvement doable, not intimidating. It was like, girl, pick up that drill and get it done. One of my favorite projects she did was installing floating shelves in her home. Now, as you may know, floating shelves can go left real fast. But if you stick with Toolbox Divas, she'll have your floating shelves looking right. She builds confidence in her viewers, and that's powerful. Now, it does appear that Timisha may have stepped back from YouTube for a bit and shifted more of her content to Instagram, but don't worry. There's still over 100 valuable DIY videos worth binge watching. And even on Instagram, you can still see her love for building, creating, and transforming spaces. So I suggest you tune in to YouTube, then head on over to Instagram to follow your girl and check out her website. These days, learning even one skill can save you hundreds, but more important, you become a part of a sisterhood of women who are stylish, creative, and handy. What could be better than that? And here's Timisha's Decor Diva moment. DIY isn't just about fixing your home. Sometimes it changes how you see yourself too. All right, so which of these ladies was your favorite? Well, put your response down in the comments. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. Your home doesn't have to look like everyone else's to be beautiful. Whether you style it playful like Raven, luxurious like Sharon, or hands-on like Timisha, there is room for your creativity too. And sometimes the most meaningful homes are the ones filled with personality, joy, and a little bit of magic. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.